Ayan, naman tayo solo. Kaya kayo ano.
Video mo ako.
Yabang. Yung damit, di, nakapokus sa kanya yung damit.
Hindi na. Yan sana, okay lang.
You need love to light the shadows on your face. If I could make you wave sharper and fall upon the sun.
Ay, titigil ba sa amin?
Between the sand and stone, could you make it on your own? If I could, then I would. I could go wherever you go, way up high, without love. I go wherever you go, and maybe I find a way to make it back someday to what you through the darkest of your days. If I make you wave sharper and fall apart the sun, then I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you go. I'll fly without love. I'll go wherever you go. Run away with my heart. Run away with my home. Run away with my love.
Alas 10 din, nag-extend.
One thing.
I'll go wherever you will go, way up high, without love. I'll go wherever you will go.
Ang saya-saya. Ayan yung pilay ni Ray. Ayun yung semplang niya.
Huwag mong masyado matahin. Pinapasayang kung hindi yung paggamot. May gamot ako dun sa maga, kuya.
Then may ano ako, may plaster na ito.
Kasi nung naipit ako sa makina.
Asan?
Yan, di na nga magay.
Tay!
Ay, may newsay natin nga ron.
May newsay natin ito?
Diyan mas mabilis yung kuya na yung gamot sa bahay.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart.
Pwede ka kayo, no?
Without saying a word, you can let the die. It's amazing I could never explain what I hear when you don't say it.
싫어. 바뀌면 안 돼.
Despite your faces, we know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you never leave me. The touch of your hands and you catch me wherever
또라이 아니야?
I go. You see it best when you see nothing else.
Tama natin na!
Mas lalo magagalit si misis mo dyan.
Kuya, upload, parang hindi mo gamit.
Oh, anong silbi ng video na to? Hindi ko i-upload. Sure ah. Dugo mamdero. Di mamya.
Kasi ba, miss ko? Tayo susunod ko.
You.
Mr. Webster could never define what's being said between your heart and mine. Smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand said to catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all.
Ngayon yung kotse ko, natulog. Yung sa garahe, meron na ako. Kasi lang ito mamaya.
Nanginginig kasing kamay ko eh. Nilalamig ako eh.
Wala pa nga lang ulit.
Ba't kayo?
Ang papamay ko.
Yun o.
Wala, eh, nakainom na.
Smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you catch me whenever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all.
Ate Isa, reviewin mo muna yan, ha?
Hahaha.
Reviewin pa.
Sure ko din nyo.
Yung pa naririnig ka rin.
Alis niyo yung marami, no?
Kopsahin mo raw mo na yan. Kopsa.
Sure ko din. Sure. Kung saan ito, te?
Wala na yun, di ba?
Ay, siya akong yang eh.
Oo.
Nandiyan na.
Black ko na to.
Nandiyan na, nandiyan na.
Kunyang eh, kaya siya.
Wala pa magabo ka. Hindi mo mumuli.
Malamang hindi lalo mag-text sa'yo yun.
Ano bang kakantayin ko?